coming in. Blaze! Blaze, come back here! Blaze, come! You're a bad dog. You did not listen to me at all, did you? There's a very large turtle in there. Blaze, see the turtle? Blaze, the turtle. Really nice rope swing. Thank you for coming to save me, Blaze. Such a good boy. That little rock garden did not go as planned. Snapped my paddle. We got out early and now I have to find a way to get this canoe back to the car. Definitely glad to have gotten off the river when we did. Getting nasty. Here I am, almost midnight, going to get the boat.